Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2016 300C base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, Garmin, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4 nav, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.